Hi there, we have a new diffuser recipe for today, so I wanted to share this with you. This is called the pumpkin spice diffuser recipe, and I will share with you what ingredients go in it and what each of them mean. Now I know it's just August and it's not really pumpkin season yet, but I know lots of people love pumpkin spice, and I just really wanted to try this out and see how it smelled. And I'm going to be posting lots of other recipes for pumpkin type stuff later on, but thought we would start right now for the first pumpkin spice recipe. So we put in 3 drops of cinnamon. Cinnamon bark is part of the thieves blend, so good for immunity, things like that. It is a really powerful smelling oil too. 2 drops of nutmeg, and nutmeg supports the adrenals, so that's good to be smelling that all day. 1 drop of ginger, that's good for the respiratory system and energizing, and who doesn't need more energy. And 1 drop of clove, which is known for being anti-aging. It's a mental stimulant, again, great for everyone, and instills courage. So 3 cinnamon, 2 nutmeg, 1 ginger, and 1 clove is what I put into this recipe. And it doesn't smell really pumpkin-y, but it does smell very spicy and you know, kind of like the fall spice scents. So I'm going to enjoy smelling this today, and make sure that you don't buy junk oils, that you only buy good pure oils that aren't going to damage your respiratory system, affect your health, or your family's health. They're very important to us. So make sure you get good stuff so that you're breathing in good things and that you're helping your body to work better. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you next time.